execution engine built in Node.js and TypeScript. It processes market orders with text routing between Radium and Meteora and streams real-time order status over WebSockets. At a high level, the core engine uses a single API order execute endpoint with Fastify that handles both the initial post request and the WebSocket connection for status updates. Sword handles request validation, PostgreSQL stores complete order history, Redis plus BullMQ manages the order queue and retries, and a mock text router compares Radium and Meteora codes. Picks the West venue, enforces slippage, and returns a mock transaction hash. An in-process event bus then pushes lifecycle updates like pending, routing, building, submitted, and confirmed or failed over website. Now I'll start the engine in development mode. This boots the Fastify server, connects to PostgreSQL and Redis, sets up the BullMQ queues, and gets the system ready to accept the orders. Next, I'll submit a market order using the Post API order execute endpoint. The request includes the wallet address, the input and output tokens, the amount, the allowed slippage in basis point, and the market order type. The server validates this payload with Zod, creates the order in database, and queues it for processing, and returns an order ID along with the WebSocket URL to subscribe to. Now I'll connect to the WebSocket endpoint for this order. As the order moves through the system, you can see the live status updates. It starts as pending, then goes to routing while codes are fetched, building while the transaction is created, submitted when it's sent, and finally confirmed with the venue, executed price, and mock transaction. If something goes wrong and all retries fail, the system becomes failed and the failure region is stored for later analysis. To show the concurrent behavior, I'll now submit several market orders at the same time. BullMQ uses Redis to handle these as queued jobs with up to 10 orders processed in parallel and exponential backoff on retries. In the logs, you can see the simulated Radium and Meteora codes for each order and which DEX was chosen, while each WebSocket stream shows that order's individual lifecycle. Finally, these are REST endpoints for querying history. Get API orders return recent order with their status, venue, execution price, and transaction hash, and get API orders ID returns the full details of a single order. These can be used to power dashboards, admin tools, or a future front end. Thank you.